Ever feel like your TV just doesn't fit your style? Or maybe the picture quality leaves you wanting more? I used to struggle with clunky designs and dull displays. Movie nights never felt cinematic enough. And honestly, ugly cables everywhere drove me nuts. That's when I discovered the Samsung QN32 LS03CB frame TV. Check the description for the best price on Amazon. It instantly changed my living room experience. First off, the 32-inch QLED 4K display is stunning. Colors are vibrant, details are razor sharp. Watching movies feels like being at the theater. But here's the cool part. When it's off, it looks like art. Seriously, it blends right in with my decor. No more bulky black screens ruining the vibe. It comes with a sleek remote and easy setup. All the cables? Premium 4K HDMI pure copper conductors. That means flawless connection and no signal loss. Streaming, gaming, or watching sports, everything looks incredible. And I never worry about accidents or screen burn-in. Why? It includes a 26-month extended protection plan. That's on top of the full Samsung manufacturer warranty. So I get total peace of mind for over 2 years. Even accidental damage is covered. Huge relief. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Just plug in the HDMI cable, done in seconds. Fire up your favorite streaming app. The interface is super smooth and fast. Switching between apps? Instant, no lag at all. Picture this, Netflix in 4K, colors popping off the screen, or gaming with zero input delay. And when guests come over, it doubles as wall art. They always ask, is that really a TV? I love how it elevates my whole space. No more hiding the TV before parties. The included cables keep everything neat and tidy. No messy wires or complicated setup. Everything you need comes right in the box. TV, remote, batteries, power cable, and more. Plus a clear user manual for quick start. Setup took me less than 10 minutes, and the 4K picture blew me away immediately. I've never seen my favorite shows look this good. Sports are crisp, fast, and immersive. Even daytime viewing. No glare, just pure clarity. It's perfect for tech lovers and design fans alike. If you care about both form and function, this is it. The 26-month protection plan is a game changer. No more worrying about accidental drops or screen issues. You're covered for nearly anything that could happen. And it's exclusive. Only in this bundle. I can relax knowing my investment is safe. Plus, Samsung USA authorized means real warranty support. Not just a basic plan, full coverage and service. This bundle really has everything you need. From premium cables to extended protection, it's a total home entertainment upgrade. No more compromise between style and performance. No more stress about accidents or repairs. And no more boring, outdated screens. If you want a TV that's as beautiful as it is smart, the Samsung Frame QLED is the answer. It's perfect for small spaces or stylish setups, and it's so easy to use. Everyone can enjoy it. I can't imagine going back to my old TV. Everything just looks and feels better now. Ready to upgrade your home entertainment? Check the description for the best price on Amazon. You get stunning 4K premium cables and full protection. Plus, peace of mind for over 2 years. Don't settle for less. Your home deserves the best. Transform your space with the Samsung QN32 LS03CB frame TV.